Okay, it's always something. Now our dishwasher's leaking, flooding the kitchen. So I saw this video on the internet that says take out the seal, clean it, put it back, and boom, your water will stop leaking. Let's give it a try. So first, opened up the dishwasher. Noticed that it was all full of water down there. I was like, oh, hey, it ain't draining. And we were trying to unclog it. We tried plunging it, and then we realized, oh, it's supposed to be full. It pumps it out. So that was a waste of time. But we tried cleaning up these corners a little bit. Still leaks. Yeah. So it still leaks. So the guy said, well, pull it up. Pull it out partially, then clean it. So we'll give that a try. So we're going to take this area here and just kind of lift it out. Yeah, it looks pretty yummy. Yeah. Alright. Yummy. Now we got to clean it. We got toothbrush. Yeah, they're pretty hard and solid. Yummy. The worst part of the job, bending over. Pretty stiff. Alright, then he said just put it in partially, don't seat it really tight, and then the door will close it the rest of the way. Yeah. Kind of foolish design. I don't think that water should touch the door. That thing there, that should just go all the way across and keep all the water contained inside instead of coming out by this hinge. Be foolish. Okay, we're about to find out. We did an awesome job. Didn't seem like it did anything. Close it up, see if it leaks. Drip. Yeah, it's like they designed them to fail. Yeah. No reason to have the water touch the door. Okay, so see how the black on this side is down too far? And on this side it's not down far enough. We're going to try shifting it up and over because the gray is being squished on this side. Okay, now that they're even, let's go ahead and close and try. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. We're going to try some valve lubricant and sealant. Okay, that last step seemed to do the trick. I guess you got to use gasket sealer.